Welcome back, guys! And in today's video, we are counting down the top 10 jobs that AI will destroy forever. Is your job on this list? Stay till the end to find out. At number 10, we have Data Entry Clerks. For decades, millions of people made a living typing data into computers. But today, AI does that job in seconds with zero errors. Companies like Microsoft and Google have already replaced thousands of data entry roles with automated AI systems. The most at-risk workers, entry-level employees, aged 20 to 25, are already seeing a 16% drop in employment. This job is not slowing down. It is disappearing. Would you retrain if your job was at risk? Comment below. At number 9, we have customer service representatives. You have probably already noticed. When you call a company, you are talking to a bot, not a human. AI chatbots today handle millions of customer queries every single day. Faster, cheaper, and without lunch breaks. By 2030, customer service roles could shrink by over 5% globally. And that number is only going up. The human touch is being replaced one chatbot at a time. Comment below. At number 8, we have bank tellers. Remember walking into a bank and talking to a real person? Those days are ending fast. Bank teller jobs are projected to drop by 15% between 2023 and 2033. That is over 50,000 positions gone forever. Wall Street banks alone plan to cut to 100,000 jobs over the next 3 to 5 years, replacing them with AI systems. Your bank is already doing it, whether you notice or not. Comment below. At number 7, we have cashiers. Self-checkout machines are everywhere now, and by 2030, experts predict cashier employment will fall by 11%, removing over 350,000 retail jobs. Companies like Walmart and Amazon are already testing fully automated stores with zero human cashiers. You walk in, grab what you need, and walk out. No cashier, no checkout line, just AI. Comment below. At number 6, we have medical transcriptionists. For years, these professionals listened to doctors and typed up medical reports. Today, AI speech recognition transcribes doctor-to-patient conversations with near-perfect accuracy, reducing transcription costs by up to 90%. Healthcare systems across America have largely eliminated this role as of 2025, a job that took years to master, replaced by an algorithm in under a decade. Comment below. At number 5, we have postal service clerks with digital communication taking over everything. Physical mail is dying, and with it, postal clerk jobs. Advanced AI sorting machines are faster, more reliable, and never make mistakes. Postal service clerks rank among the fastest declining roles through 2030. Every email you send, instead of a letter, is one less reason for this job to exist. Comment below. At number 4, we have tax preparers. Every year, millions of Americans pay AI professionals to file their taxes, but AI tax software is becoming so sophisticated that human error is now the bigger risk. More people are filing their own taxes using AI-powered tools every single year. Experts predict 20% of tax preparation jobs will be impacted by 2030. TurboTax and AI are replacing the tax preparer, one return at a time. Comment below. At number 3, we have junior software developers. And yes, even tech jobs are not safe. Among young software developers, employment has already dropped by nearly 20% since 2022. A AI coding tools like GitHub Copilot can now write entire programs in seconds. Companies no longer need 10 junior developers when one senior developer with AI tools can do the same work. The entry level of tech is disappearing right before our eyes. Comment below. At number 2, we have manufacturing workers. Robots and AI have been taking factory jobs for years, but now the pace is accelerating. Global manufacturing could lose 20 million jobs to automation by 2030. Since the year 2000, automation has already eliminated 1.7 million manufacturing jobs. In America alone, the factory floor of the future will have robots doing what humans once did, faster, cheaper, and without a single break. Comment below and get ready, because number 1 will truly shock you. And at number 1, the most shocking of all, entry-level white-collar jobs. The Anthropic CEO himself warned in 2025 that AI could eliminate roughly 50% of all entry-level office positions within just 5 years. Analysts, researchers, junior marketers, basic copywriters, and admin assistants, all at serious risk. And here is the scary part. Without entry-level jobs, the career ladder that millions of young people rely on to build their future is being destroyed. 92 million jobs gone by 2030. The question is not, will AI affect your career? The question is, are you ready for it? So which job surprised you the most? Comment below. And if you want to know which new jobs AI is creating, like and subscribe, because that video is coming next.